Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys read in the title, there's so much shore outside, but anyways, today I'm gonna share with you my room tour. I have like never done a room tour of this room because I have been living here. Oh my god, just stop it, dude. Stop it. Anyways, if it happens again, I'm just gonna continue. I will be sharing with you my room tour right now. So I'm going to take you right here to the entrance. This is the entry, and the other thing is that I live on the first floor of my house. That's so weird. Like अगर हम अपनी किसी friend के साथ room share करते हैं या उसको room tour देते हैं, we are like देख ले ये मेरा room है, you know, we're like that. But it's so weird to explain each and everything, and I live here. This room is my everything. It's like the simplest rooms that I've seen anywhere. Simplest room tour, I would say. I love this room. कोई भी मेरे room में आता है, they are like chilling. The vibe is so good in my room. Like मुझे जो vibe चाहिए होती है वही मैं रखती हूँ. I can live here like all day, every day. Let me know if you guys would like to see a 24-hour challenge in my room. But I don't know. खाना पीना मुझे कोई ऊपर देने वाला नहीं है, इसीलिए मैं वो challenge कर नहीं रही हूँ. Because ऊपर है ना मेरा रूम, तो कोई कौन देगा आके, मुझे कोई जाना पड़ेगा, right? Anyways, that is not the point. The point is that we're gonna do a room tour, and I'm so glammed up for no reason. But yeah, so this is the entry door, and this is the switchboard, of course. यहाँ से हम light on off करते हैं. And you know what? I have a disco light in my room. Oh, you can't see it. Wait. See? और मेरे रूम का यही फ़ायदा है कि अगर आपको दिन में भी अंधेरा चाहिए हो सकता है, और अगर बहुत ज़्यादा रोशनी चाहिए जैसे अभी है वो भी हो सकता है. तो इट्स लाइक रियली नाइस थिंग अबाउट माई रूम. एक्चुअली हमारे घर में सभी रूम्स का ये एक प्रो है कि अगर आपको दिन में सोना है या फिर आपको चिल करना है, वाइब करना है, तो अंधेरा भी कर सकते हैं पूरा. अगर प्रोडक्टिव चाहिए डे तो आप पूरा रोशनी भी कर सकते हैं. So I'm going to show you this wall right here, which is right next to the door. This is the door where I was standing right here, and then we have this first wall which is super plain. This is the simplest wall that I have in my room. So yeah, इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा खास नहीं है, बस यही है एक, ये भी मैंने खुद DIY किया था. आई थिंक आई हैव अ वीडियो ऑन दिस ऑलरेडी. और इस पर जो ये प्रिंट लगा हुआ है, दिस इज़ द वॉल पेपर. आई जस्ट शो यू, एंड जस्ट जंपिंग इन राइट हियर टू शो यू वन थिंग. दिस बैग राइट हियर, यू सी, इट्स सो फनी बिकॉज nobody does it like this. This bag has all the product empties that I'm collecting right now for you guys for the product empties video. Start. I'm just collecting all the stuff, skincare, makeup, other things जो ख़त्म हो जाते हैं, और उसके बाद ये होगा कि मैं आपको रिव्यू दे सकती हूँ एक एक प्रोडक्ट का. So it's like quite full now. I think I should make a big product empties video. Let me know if you guys would like to see it. I have a part 1 of product empties which I will link right here, so go and watch it. I've never shown this area to anybody because it's not that स्पेशल, बिकॉज इसमें कुछ डेकोरेटिव नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. मैं यहाँ पे जाती भी नहीं हूँ, बट आज हम जाएंगे. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द वॉल लुक्स लाइक. सो दिस राइट हियर इन द लेफ्ट वाज द फर्स्ट वॉल, एंड दैट इज़ जब हम एंटर करते हैं तो सामने हमें ये दिखती है बैल्कनी. Okay, so I mostly keep this area covered with the blinds. I'll just show you how, because I like to have, oh my god, the lighting is so bad here. So I was saying that I like to keep this area covered with the blinds because I like अंधेरा in my room all the time. Like हम light on कर सकते हैं, but I don't know, गर्मी है इसीलिए I don't open the balcony that much. So this is the balcony. I never come here, like because it's so hot. मतलब सर्दियों में फिर भी I come here sometimes, but the view is really nice, no doubt. So yes, this is the balcony. I barely come here because it's so hot. Winters में I come here sometimes, but not in summers. It's so hot. I can barely stand here. I will take you guys. Lighting is so nice. Yeah, so that was the balcony that I never ever use. So after this side I have my closet room. I'll just show you what's inside. I think मैं उल्टा चल रही हूँ, मुझे इधर से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए था, ऐसे घूम के फिर इधर. कोई बात नहीं. Let's just like shifted all my makeup from my beauty room to the closet because there it was so hot. वहाँ पे कुछ air conditioning नहीं है, even पंखा भी ऐसे मरा हुआ सा चलता है. तो आई थॉट ऑफ लाइक शिफ्टिंग माई मेकअप. इट ऑलवेज हैपन्स विद मी. विंटर्स में मैं अपना मेकअप उधर ले जाती हूँ और समर्स में इधर ले आती हूँ. सो इट ऑलवेज हैपन्स विद मी. लेट्स गो इनसाइड माई क्लोजेट नाउ. दिस इज़ हाउ माई क्लोजेट लुक्स लाइक. यहाँ पे ड्रेसिंग टेबल है और ये वार्डरोब है जहाँ पे आई कीप ऑल माई क्लोथ्स एंड या, और वो वॉशरूम है. ओके, सो बाय एनी चांस यू गाइज आर थिंकिंग कि आई एम गोना शो यू व्हाट्स इनसाइड माई क्लोजेट. It's not gonna happen because it's not organized at all, and one day I will definitely organize my closet and make a video on organizing and showing you my closet. It's so messed up. Even the washroom is not that organized right now, so I'm not gonna show you. But one thing that is worth sharing with you guys are these two products right there. So I've kept these specially here because I'll just tell you, they are worth sharing and worth trying. I've kept them specially in front of the closet because you guys, it smells so good. You know what this smell reminds me of? This smell reminds me of Pondicherry. Firstly, I want to share with you what these products are and how they work. So this is a combo of body butter and body scrub from Pilgrim's Jeju Body Ritual range. I've been trying this product out since 2 weeks now, and oh my god, I'm absolutely in love with the texture, the fragrance, the packaging and everything is top notch. All their products are cruelty, paraben and sulfate free. This is the Pilgrim's Secret of Jeju Island Volcanic Lava Ash Body Scrub. This body scrub with unique self-melt granules is crafted to detox and brighten your skin. The volcanic lava ash exfoliates and promotes the skin cell regeneration, and it also reduces the pigmentation, while White Lotus improves the skin elasticity and leaves it fresh, bright and rejuvenated. So after the scrubbing portion, I'm gonna use the Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island Shea and Cocoa Body Butter, enriched with vitamin and antioxidant rich White Lotus extracts. It melts straight into the skin, locking in the natural moisture while nourishing its radiance. In my washroom after using these two products smells heavenly. It's like some another level of satisfaction and ASMR and relaxation, you know. Body butter I use every single day to moisturize my body, and the body butter I use 2 to 3 times a week. I think that's enough to scrub your body, and yeah, I mean, they are working out for me. I think they are really nice and high quality. That's like the room, the exit of the closet, and here we go. Those are my brushes, some straightener, and this is the huge ass mirror right here. This is like really huge. It's like super clean right now. यहाँ पे मेरे कपड़े बिखरे रहते हैं some most of the times, और ये 3 lights यहाँ पे हैं ऊपर, और एक ये बल्ब है. इसमें मेरा मेकअप है थोड़ा, तो मैं आपको शो करती हूँ. So this is how my makeup looks like. I'll just tell you कि इसमें क्या क्या पड़ा है. That's all the primers that I have. Those are foundations. Then these are concealers and loose powders. Then these are contours and highlighters, mascara, eyeliners, blushers and eyelashes and stuff. थोड़ा आई स्टफ है इसमें, और दीज आर द आई पैलेट्स. तो मेकअप कलेक्शन की वीडियो आई विल मेक super soon. Let me collect some more makeup and I'll show you. Now this is the next wall that you guys have seen most of the times in like a lot of my videos. This is the main wall. Like this is kind of a highlight, I would say, because people actually organize their room when they are filming room tours, but I'm not that one person. I'm sorry, I'm one of those lazy persons. Like I am filming raat से अभी तक, and it's I think what's the time, so it's 10:30 right now, and I think ये मुझे माफ़ी मिलनी चाहिए बिकॉज अभी मेरे में बिल्कुल ताकत नहीं है बेड सेट करने की, बिकॉज इस वीडियो के बाद आई एम एनीवेज गोइंग टू स्लीप. सो प्लीज़ इग्नोर माई बेड, अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड. सो दिस इज़ द वॉलपेपर. इसको काफ़ी साल हो गए हैं, तो अगर अब मुझसे पूछोगे तो आई विल चूज समथिंग वेरी प्लेन एंड वेरी क्लासिक, बट दिस इज़ memories. So I really like this wall anyways. So that's bed, which is messed up right now, but I love this color, the sheet का color मुझे बहुत पसंद है. तो और ये है bed table right there. उसके ऊपर मेरा planner है and a water bottle for some reason, I don't know. अरे ये तो मैंने दिखाया नहीं आपको. This is my जुगाड़ actually. ये मैंने अभी सिर्फ इसलिए रखा है because I want to show it to you guys. But this is a जुगाड़, मतलब ये चेयर इस टेबल पे जाती है when I'm filming sit down videos. ये जुगाड़ मैंने इसलिए इसलिए किया है बिकॉज मेरा ब्यूटी रूम में आई कैन नॉट film anymore because of the hot weather, so I have to film all the beauty content in my room itself. So I'm thinking of bringing the backdrop stand here. If you haven't seen my beauty room tour, just go and watch it. You'll be very much clear कि मैं क्या बात कर रही हूँ, नहीं तो आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा. I put my ring light on this chair, और चेयर होती है टेबल के ऊपर, और ये ट्रे जो आपको दिख रही है इसमें मैं अपना मेकअप रखती हूँ जो मुझे वीडियो के लिए यूज़ करना होता है. एंड या सो दिस इज़ द बेड राइट हियर. नाउ इज़ द टाइम फॉर माई फेवरेट वॉल जो आप बैकड्रॉप्स में भी देख रहे हो आजकल. लव फेरी लाइट्स यू गाइज. आई एम इन लव. आई एम obsessed with fairy lights. They make me so happy. How I have like decorated right now, the color scheme is colorful. Like I've kept it colorful, but if I want I can do pink stuff. I can keep all the pink stuff, pink and gold, or I do like I've done turquoise, gold, some colors right there, some pink right there, and mostly it's golden and white is the base color. Yeah, I'm planning to get more new things, but अभी मेरे रूम में बिल्कुल जगह नहीं है, और वो new things मैंने ऊपर भी रखी हुई हैं कई जो मतलब वीडियो में शो नहीं होता. But if I want I can change some things with these, like I can shift. Alright, for the first column, okay, my nail paint is matching with this column. So I have the Polaroid cam, some perfumes, some planners, some notebooks. I actually use these notebooks quite a lot, so I've just kept them, which is really convenient. And this remote is to control the fairy lights. I'll just show you. It will change the mode of the lights. You see? It's now blinking. Then this one, yeah, it just changes the motion of the lights ki kis way mein they are blinking and stuff. So I really like it. If you guys like them, I'll link it down in the description. और जब मैं अंधेरा करूँगी ना तब देखना कितनी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगती हैं. Okay, so the second wall has some empty perfumes, and this dabba right here which we got in an invitation, and I absolutely love it. It has all the chiller in it. Yeah, because ये मैं हमेशा घुमा देती हूँ चिल्लर वगैरह, और जब मुझे मिलते हैं तो मैं इसमें डाल देती हूँ. एंड नेक्स्ट कॉलम हैज़ दीज ब्यूटिफुल लिपीज from Cal. I think the presentation is so good. I think they are so aesthetically pleasing to the eyes, so I've kept them right here. And I've also kept here because the color scheme is really good, which is pink and gold, my favorite. And then I have this one. This is actually a candle holder, but I use it as a brush holder, and these brushes I don't use anymore. These were from Shein, but the handle is of pink color, so I thought why to just let them go in the waste, so I just keep them there to just decorate. And then I have this artificial plant right here. It was gifted to me by a friend. And then ऊपर भी दिखा देती हूँ क्या क्या शेल्फ पे. It's so funny the story behind this. ये मेरी बहन और जीजू की जब शादी हो रही थी उनकी एंगेजमेंट की रिंग प्लेटर है ये, जिसको मैंने एज अ डेकोरेटिव आइटम रख लिया है. बट इट्स सो प्रिटी एंड इट गोज़ विद द theme of my table. These are 2 candles. These are all the perfumes that I have. This one is actually a lipstick stand, and all these Huda Beauty lipsticks that you see are fake. I just got them for the presentation, and they look really cute. And then I have this Cal bag which I think is so cute. I've like kept it for the decoration purpose only because I think it's so cute, the pink color and everything. But first makeup, we all know that, and some more items right there. बाकी drawers are not organized, तो वो अभी नहीं दिखा रही. और ये डस्टबिन है जो मुझे क्लीन करना है, मतलब मुझे एम्प्टी करना है. और ये रिंग लाइट है बेचारी को पैर नहीं है इसके. That was my room tour. I know it's super simple, but I love my room. Like I'll just show you कैसा मेरा रूम दिखता है जब अंधेरा होता है. It's so beautiful and the vibes in my room is crazy good. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one.